Okay, this is my first documentation. We didn't really find a deer, but I found a bird. Hopefully it stays there. I'm gonna try and show you it through the binoculars. And it just took off. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. I'm gonna try and show you this awesome bird. If I can get it, I'm not sure if I'm getting it. No, it went. Sorry for the shakiness, it's so weird. This is looking through the binoculars right now. This actually is pretty cool. Shoot. I can't really find that bird right now. It took off, I guess. But that's looking at that scenery through this. So it's pretty cool. I'll continuously do this to try and spot deer if I do get a chance. If not, then we'll just move on. So we're not going to waste any more film here. Bye.